Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing my Easter 2018 coffee bar with you. If you've been on my channel for any amount of time and have seen my other coffee bar videos, then you know that I like to really go all out decorating my coffee bar because I don't like to really clutter other areas of my home with too much decor, but all bets are off when it comes to my coffee bar because I have this 3-tiered tray that I can really just fill up with tons of decor, and it doesn't take up any more space than if it didn't have the decor in it. So here is an up close of my tray. All of the greenery you see in here is from Dollar Tree. This is actually a real succulent that I was gifted by my parents, and all of my chocolate bunnies, they're not real chocolate, they're just decorations, are hand-me-downs from my parents. I always do a little bit of a copper theme in my kitchen, and especially my 3-tier tray, so I like to use my Moscow Mule mugs, my copper measuring cups, and the carrots that you see are from Target Dollar Spot. The glittery eggs are from Pottery Barn. My white bunnies from Dollar Tree, and this egg is from Dollar Tree as well. And then again, my chocolate bunnies are hand-me-downs from my parents. They're very old, like older than I am actually. I also decided to put my wooden bead garland in my tray, and I really like the kind of farmhouse look of that. I have more of my copper measuring cups, my Rae Dunn mug with the carrots, and some more eggs. The only thing is that my coffee bar I really use are my straws as stirrers, and these ones are from Dollar Tree and the polka dotted ones are from the Target Dollar Spot. Over here, my welcome to our home sign is from the Dollar Tree. That is one of my favorite Easter pieces. And then I have another large chocolate bunny here with the eggs, and again, this is tissue paper. It's falling apart. This is definitely older than I am, and I'm 27 years old, you guys, so this thing is ancient. And then you guys saw I made my coffee in another Rae Dunn mug. I've been loving Rae Dunn as of the past year or so, well longer. I've just been able to find it recently, so I use my Rae Dunn pieces for more than just decor. I use them actually to drink coffee out of. Leave a comment below if you actually use your Rae Dunn pieces too. So this is where I keep all of my coffee. I just restocked my coffee, so that is probably the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. And I don't use sugar in my coffee, but I have sugar in case a guest comes over and wants some. And then I have my huge collection of paper straws and stirrers. So yeah, that's why the top of my coffee bar is more so for decor, because I keep everything down here, and I'm pretty simple with my coffee. I either drink it black or I put a little bit of sugar-free creamer in it, so I don't really need to have a whole lot out. And you guys, this is my favorite coffee. I am not fancy with my coffee at all. I have tried to get into like better coffees, but this is just my go-to. It's super cheap and it tastes good. I always like Colombian because I like a really rich tasting dark coffee. I hate a light roast, so the best decision I ever made was to start getting this huge pack that comes with 48. This is like $15, and I never run out of these. Like, if I'm getting low, I have enough time to get to the grocery store. When I was getting the 12 packs, if I was getting low, I might forget sometimes. These are just from Kroger. People have asked in previous videos when they've seen inside my coffee bar if I'm Colombian, because I have Colombian coffee and abuelita hot chocolate, but no, I'm not. I just like really richly flavored things. So that's the coffee bar, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed. I'm hoping to get more Easter videos up before the day gets here, but it's been crazy around here, so I thought I would at least get this coffee bar up because it is my favorite area. So thank you again for watching. I'll see you back in my next one.